What are your expectations for the UPC based on what we know at the moment?
Well, I think once the legal framework is in place now, we can be of very good hope that this bird will be flying. Of course, there will be a tremendous additional work to be done. The key issue will be to come back to a set of rules established by jurisdiction, not only from a legislative point of view, but from jurisdiction, where we find reliable standards for the future. We all know that in the legal framework, reference is made to a large extent to the national law. And the question is to what extent the various local chapters and divisions will refer to this national case law they have established over the years. This would, of course, be to some extent a problem, because we want to harmonize case law in Germany, so in Europe. For that reason, I think this will be the greatest challenge we will see.
So do you think there will be a lot of uncertainty in the system for the first few years as cases develop and some of these questions are tried before the courts?
Yes, I think so. I think so, and it will to a large extent depend on the quality of the judges, the quality of the judgments, and the question how fast the Court of Appeal in Luxembourg will be in a position to bring together maybe various and different views from the local divisions.
And one question a lot of people have concerns about is bifurcation and the possibility of cases being bifurcated. That's a system you're familiar with in Germany. Do you think it's likely to happen a lot in the UPC?
Well, to be very honest with you, I think that the German system, which was applied in the past, in some cases did lead to very difficult situations. I personally have experienced some cases where the defendant went into insolvency due to the fact that that the judgment was enforced and later on the patent was invalidated. These are, of course, very harsh things. For that reason, I expect that the judges will use very carefully the system of bifurcation, and I'm glad that we now have some more flexibility in the system, because on the other hand, bifurcation might be helpful because it does reduce complexity of the various cases. And if you have a clear-cut case, a valid patent, then it's much easier to enforce it on the basis of bifurcation.
Well, thank you very much indeed.